Hey you guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 7 crockpot recipes. I have been using my crockpot a ton lately, and it is just such a lifesaver to have a really great dinner ready at the end of the day after running around and being super busy. So I love crockpot recipes, slow cooker recipes, whichever you want to call them. So good. I'm going to share these 7 with you. I will list them in the description box as well. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of crockpot videos, sheet pan recipes, what we're having for dinner, all kinds of things. So make sure you click subscribe. All right, let me show you these 7 awesome, super easy crockpot meals. So this is a taco pasta bake. I have my already made taco meat, 1 pound. I have my better than bouillon to make my chicken broth. I'm using 2 cups. And I am going to add in a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, or you can use a can of Rotel. I'm going to use this Southwest blend frozen veggies. It's corn, beans, it's got diced onion and diced bell peppers. It's really good and so easy, just frozen and pop it in. I am going to give this all a stir. All of these recipes are dump and go, super easy. So this one I'm going to be cooking for 8 hours on low, and I am going to give this a stir. And then, since this is a pasta recipe, I'm adding in my elbow noodles. You can add in small shell noodles as well. But I'm going to give this a stir, and then I'm going to put my lid back on. After I put some cheese in, I always gotta have cheese. Add cheese to just about everything. But 1 cup of shredded Fiesta blend cheese. You can use cheddar cheese as well if you'd like. But I'm going to put the lid back on this, and I'm going to give it a stir at 10 minutes, and then I'm going to put the lid back on and give it another stir, or cook it for another 10 minutes. So about 20 minutes on low, and these noodles will cook up and be absolutely delicious. I love this. It has a ton of flavor, a nice taco Southwest flavor, and super easy. The crockpot does all of the work, which I love. Anything dump and go is definitely right up my alley. This is really good. I'm going to do a sausage, creamy sausage and potatoes. So I have my smoked sausage. I just diced it up into some smaller pieces. I have my potato, which diced up again into small pieces. Half of an onion, and I am using cream of cheddar, so cheddar, like a cheddar cheese, Campbell's cream soup, and I'm going to add that in super easy, and another just dump and bake. I have 1 cup of milk to give it some more liquid. I'm going to give this a stir. You can cook this on high for 4 hours or on low for 8 hours, and just the potatoes turn out so good cooking in the crock pot all day, and it's really delicious, nice, filling, hearty dinner. Okay, so this one I have my chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts, and I like to cut it up into some medium-sized chunks. It cooks really well that way in the crock pot. I have half of an onion, and this is going to be a curry chicken. So I have this simmer sauce, and it is a tiki masala simmer sauce. This brand is really good, but this is the curry sauce. I did their butter chicken sauce a couple weeks ago, and it was absolutely delicious. So I'm trying all of their sauces now because they're really good. But I'm just dumping all that into the crock pot. Super simple. You can do on high for 4 hours or low for 8. And I love serving these kinds of saucy recipes with a side of rice. You can also do like a side of noodles if you'd like, but I have just some white rice, and it is perfect with this sauce. Just kind of soaks it up. It's a little bit spicy, but really good. So I'm going to do ribs in the crock pot. This is now one of my husband's favorite things for me to make. He says I can make them every week if I wanted. Super easy. So I just have my baby back ribs, And then I have just some barbecue sauce. This is a Traeger apricot sauce, but whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is, just pour it on there. And that is literally all you need. So these just cook all day. At the end of the day, they just fall off the bone, super tender. You don't have to do anything at all. So really, really easy. Definitely this is on our repeat dinner list. They are so good. So I served these with a side of macaroni and cheese, or you could do whatever your favorite barbecue side is. We do a lot of green salads, so this is really, really good. So as you can tell, it just falls off the bone. And the flavor with the barbecue sauce, just use your favorite barbecue sauce and you will absolutely love this. Really, really good and really, really easy. Perfect for our busy weeknight. So we are just really busy right now. We have the boys started baseball. We have golf on the weekends, junior golf camp. So definitely busy time, and the Crockpot really helps have some good food ready to go at the end of the day. So definitely have to be feeding my growing boys lots of good hearty foods, and this is a big favorite in our family. So this one I have chicken again. So I have my 2 chicken breasts diced up into some medium-sized pieces, not super small, but just medium, and it really helps get sauces really into the chicken and it doesn't dry out. But I'm just using this creamy Italian dressing, super easy, 2 ingredients, just this Italian chicken. So I'm gonna add the dressing just over the chicken. I'm gonna cook this. On this one, you can do as well. You can do 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low, depending on if you want to just set it and go off for the day. You can put it on for 8 hours on low. And this is really good. I like to serve, like I said, with the curry chicken. Like to serve these kind of chickens with rice. We eat a lot of rice. Rice and some veggies. We do a lot of zucchini. So for this one, it's just a really great, nice little saucy chicken, and give it a stir. It really has a lot of flavor. So I love this Italian dressing, the Ken's Steakhouse, but you can use any kind of Italian dressing that you prefer. So this one is delicious with some rice and some zucchini. Really nice, healthy dinner, and just the chicken turns out really good just cooking in this dressing all day. So I'm going to do some meatballs. This is a Hawaiian meatball recipe. So I just have frozen meatballs. I'm going to use about half my bag. I have a diced green bell pepper, diced red bell pepper. I have pineapple chunks. So I've drained the juice out of the can. I'm just adding in the pineapple chunks. I am going to use some brown sugar. So I have half a cup of brown sugar, and this is actually a Swerve brown sugar, so it's a keto friendly one. This is actually liquid aminos as well, so I'm keeping this one keto friendly for myself, but really good. You can use regular brown sugar, or you can use soy sauce if you'd like. So I'm gonna give this a stir, and I just love meatballs in the crock pot. They're definitely one of my favorites. Cooking all day gives them nice and tender. I have some cauliflower rice because you use regular rice as well. So this is going to be a chicken pot pie. I have my mixed vegetables, my better than bouillon for my chicken broth. I have sour cream will go in at the end, cream of chicken, potato, onion, chicken, and then I'm going to just dump all of this in my crock pot. I have my chicken already cut up like I love to do. It's all popped in, give it a stir. I'm going to cook this on high for 8 hours. And then once it's ready, I'm going to cook the biscuits, and that will go on top of the bowl of chicken pot pie. This one's really easy and really, really good. So now this is done, I'm going to add in my sour cream. It's going to give it a really good flavor, make it nice and creamy as well. It's already super creamy, but really nice and hearty, delicious flavors. Perfect for, it was really cold here this week, so it was a really good comfort food to have. And the biscuit on top is just delicious and such a good crock pot meal. I hope that you enjoyed these 7 recipes. They're all really easy and really delicious. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.